Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the crackling or static sound you hear when talking to friends on Discord. Let's fix it guys. First open up Discord and click on this user setting icon. On left side you just need to scroll down under the app setting. You will be see the voice video. Click on it. Just need to scroll down guys in here. Voice processing, echo cancellation, turn it off. Noise suspension, select none. And advanced voice activity, turn it off. And automatic gain control, turn it off. Make sure you turned off all of these options guys. The reason for doing this is that when these settings are enabled, it puts an additional processing load on your system's microphone guys. Disabling these settings on your mic help to ensure smooth sound quality. After doing this, you just need to close it off here. And if you experiencing a worse mic quality after disabling some of these options, then feel free to enable them again guys. If the crackling Discord audio remains, then search task manager. Go to search menu and type task manager. Click on open it guys. You just need to expand this option by doing it and click on the details, and you just need to check audio dg.exe. You just need to right click on the audio dg.exe and select set purity to high and select change purity, and the same thing you just need to right click on it again and select set affinity. Click on it and turn it off all of these processes and select CPU 2 and select OK. And now after changing it, this allows Discord and similar apps to utilize their own audio enhancement services and can help with audio input and output problems. After finishing this, close it off here. Now right click on the start icon, select settings. On right side select sound. You just need to scroll down under the advanced, select more sound settings. In here you just need to select the recording tab and right click on the microphone you are using it guys in here and select properties. Select the advanced tab, and if you see in here option enable audio enhancement, you just need to uncheck it guys. In my case I don't have the option. In your case you see the enable audio enhancement, you just need to uncheck the box and select apply and OK for save changes guys. After doing this, this will completely disable the audio dg.exe service and help fix sound input related problems guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.